Hey everyone, welcome to Silent Infotech. In this tutorial, we are going to take a look of extra price in product variant Odoo module. So let's get started with brief introduction of this module. The extra price in product variant module is a comprehensive solution designed to address the limitation of editing sale prices for product variants within the Odoo ERP system. This module introduces the functionality of modify the sale price individually for each product variant, enabling businesses to accurately reflect variant-specific pricing. Now let's see how to install this module. Installation of this module is very easy. You can easily get this module from Odoo apps. Once the installation is done, go to the inventory app, click on products and select product variants from drop-down menu. In this page, you find a list of products and their available variants too. In addition, extra price field is added after this module is installed. You can directly change the price of product variants by entering additional price value in the extra field section. For that, select that particular product and enter the value. Once you add extra price, you can observe sale price of that particular product is increased. You can select multiple products or you can select all of them at once. Keep in mind that the original price of that particular product will not be reflected in the newly added extra price of the product variants. So this is all about this module. Thank you for watching this video.